Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the beach.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a big pizza.
Did you watch a movie last night?
Yes, I watched a funny comedy.
Whom did you meet at the park?
I met an old friend from school.
Did you call your friend yesterday?
Yes, we talked for an hour.
What did you buy at the store?
I bought a new pair of shoes.
How did you get to school this morning?
I walked because the weather was nice.
Did you play a game yesterday?
Yes, I played soccer with my cousins.
What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking in the mountains.